I'm here at the Seattle Center, about to start a mural, live painting for Bumbershoot Music and Arts Festival. I'm here on behalf of Art Saves Me, which is a part of MURAL, and it's basically an organization that gives artists a platform all year round to be creative and tell their story through art. So I'm super honored to be here and for them to ask me to make a mural and design a print and show some of my art at this amazing Seattle Music Culture Festival. I'm about to get started, about to do the very first steps and paint the background, flat color, and get my line art up on the wall. And I'm really excited to start painting, so I'm gonna do that. I forgot my tripod at home today, so there's just gonna be lots of handheld shots and low angle shots, but I'm gonna get started on the mural. Yeah, doing the drop shadow first. A few months back, I got an email from Marty over at MURAL, and he pitched me this super awesome, crazy project through a program called Art Saves Me. They wanted me to do a bunch of cool art for Bumbershoot Music Festival. They wanted me to design a limited edition silk screen poster. They wanted me to live paint a mural at Bumbershoot. They wanted me to do a little mini art show in the gallery there. They were gonna make artist trading cards for me. It was just all this cool stuff. And it seemed like he really cared a lot about supporting artists and making art a big part of the Bumbershoot Music Festival. And I was like totally on board. This has been such a cool project for me because there was a lot of creative freedom. Got a little mini 1000 show, illustration show. This one's gonna be switched out for the print version of this guy later. Some drawings and some prints. Usually I work with big clients who have like their own goals in mind, and they're like, we wanna show this, we wanna depict that. And Marty was a pretty chill dude. Like I just sent him what I wanted to do, and he seemed to be on board with it the whole way. So this is kind of a dream gig. Mr. Casey Weldon is here to help me. He loves being on camera too. Now we're cooking with fire. Also, being able to live paint in front of thousands and thousands of people and see their faces light up as I'm creating this really bright, colorful piece of artwork was like such a rewarding experience for me. So often I'm like painting by myself in an empty corporate office building that's like under construction, because those are the folks who can afford really big, crazy art projects. So this was just like super fun. I had a great time. My mural was set up really close to the Fisher Green stage, so I was able to listen to like really awesome music the whole time. It was rad. We are outside of Bumbershoot, stuck outside waiting for our artist passes. Just about to start the mural on the first official day of Bumbershoot. It's gonna be a fun one. Hopefully I can get a lot of work done and also meet a lot of cool people. So, just waiting, trying to get a hold of our contacts so that we can get in. Yeah. All right, it's day one of Bumbershoot. Did some fill-in colors yesterday with the help of my friend Casey Weldon, which is super awesome. Did the prep work, and now it's time to start painting for the festival. It's the quiet before the storm right now. The gates are gonna open, I think, in about an hour. I'm just gonna kind of get set up here and do a little bit more painting while it's still quiet. This is gonna be fun. Thank you so much, MURAL. Thank you, Art Saves Me. It does save me. Art saved my life. And hopefully the people like this mural, so I'm gonna get started. The message of Art Saves Me really hits close to home, and it means a lot to me. About 7 years ago, I was pretty much a hardcore drug addict and alcoholic, and I was using really heavy substances on a daily basis. It got to the point where everything was spinning out of control so hard that I just had to call my dad and say, "Dad, I gotta come home, I'm a drug addict." I went home to Michigan for 9 months and got my life back in order. And while I was there, I really started making art again. It was a really great way for me to channel all of my addictive energy into something positive, you know, because that stuff doesn't go away, it's still inside of you. And I became addicted to making art, and I would post it online, and to my surprise, people would like want to buy it, and everything just kind of naturally progressed from there. And I think that art really can kind of fulfill a lot of those addictive behaviors because you seclude yourself and you do repetitive things over and over again, and those are all things that drug addicts love. So as soon as I found an avenue to channel this energy into that's a positive thing instead of a negative thing, that's when things really started to turn around for me. So the message of art saves me is really something that I find to be true and means a lot to me. So it was really cool, and it really made a lot of sense to me to take part in this project because art did save me. I think if you're struggling with any of the kind of issues that I struggled with, definitely let some people know and seek out help and use art as a form of therapy. If you like art, or find that thing that you love, that you can become addicted to something that's positive instead of something that destroys and something that's negative. It is the start of Saturday, day 2 of Bumbershoot. Got a lot of good work done yesterday. Super fun, talked to a bunch of people. Now I'm gonna be starting on the rest of it and just trying to knock out as much as I can. Hopefully get to the finishing details on Sunday. I think it's gonna be a lot more poppin' here today. Yesterday was Friday. People maybe had work, but Saturday is usually like the poppin' day. So gonna have some fun, hopefully meet some people, talk about my art a little bit, make some art, and just enjoy the wonderful sounds of the Fisher Green stage. I'm about 100 feet from the second to largest stage. It was great music all day yesterday. I brought these headphones, but I don't even know why, because I've just been listening to the awesome sounds of Bumbershoot. So I'm gonna get started. The gates are not open yet. It's kind of a ghost town in here, so it's a good time to do some preparatory work. Coming along nicely. We'll see how far we can get today.
eBay.
Yes, available now on eBay.
Yes.
1 Polaroid, Pete Smooth sleeping.
Shit.
$1 million.
I need that.
You will not be let down.
I want that.
Not available in the stores. Only through Robot Room Productions.
This concept for the art, I just wanted to do this like collision of, well, it's a collision of characters when you look at it. It's two characters just in a mid-air, weightless kind of explosion of creativity. And that's what inspiration and being an artist is all about. Sometimes you just feel like there's this explosion in your brain of energy, or at least I do, and I just get like so excited, and I'm completely compelled to put a brush to a canvas or a pencil to a paper and make something. Maybe this piece of art is trying to visually represent that experience of being an excited artist. That's what keeps me coming back to making art over and over and over again, is that feeling right there. I think that's kind of what I wanted to show on this mural. Bumbershoot is awesome. The absolute best thing about doing these kind of gigs is the people. Meeting so many people, hearing their comments and questions and compliments about the art that I'm creating. It's so fun to be able to use my art to connect with people and communicate with people. I'm a push down. It's the end of Saturday and I'm feeling good. It's starting to look good.
B-roll footage out here.
Daniel's gonna go get some B-roll footage. Yeah.
Bye.
So yeah, I'm gonna pack my stuff up and listen to some music.
Yep. That's it. Woo. Okay.
It's Sunday, it's the last day. It's been an amazing music festival here at Bumbershoot. Thank you so much to One Reel with their Art Saves Me program for reaching out to me, asking me to do this super cool project, and for supporting artists and for making art a focal point of this festival. Made some good progress and just gonna be finishing up today. Yeah, just been listening to some great music all weekend and enjoying the process. So I'm gonna get to it. I'm an incredibly lucky person. I'm lucky that I get to be able to do things like this and that I'm able to wake up each day and spend my day doing what I love. With a lot of hard work and a lot of passion and a lot of hustle, art has taken me from a place where it was a hobby to where it's the way that I am able to support myself and my family and at the same time do what I love to do every single day. Art has saved me and this has been such an amazing experience. I'm super lucky that I just kind of did what I like to do and I found some people who also like what I do and who support me and appreciate what I'm putting out there. I'm super lucky that you're watching this right now. I know that so many artists dream of being able to paint big murals and do big crazy projects and share their art with the world. And I just want to, what I really hope is that when you watch my videos, you feel inspired to make your own art, and whether it's something that you can make money off of or whether it's something that just makes you feel really, really good, I hope that it encourages you to make more art and be more creative and contribute more beauty to the world around you. So I'm so honored and so lucky that I'm able to do that on a regular basis. So I just hope that you can do what you love to do and love what you love and make the art that you want to make and put it out there. And don't worry about the rest. The rest will come, but just find your passion and follow it. Alright, that's it. That's the end. I just finished the mural. It's a beautiful bumper shoot. It's been amazing painting. Thank you, One Reel. Art saves me. I'm pretty happy with the mural. The people seem to be happy with the mural. So thank you, Art Saves Me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment, let's have a conversation. Thank you to my patrons who support me on a monthly basis and get all kinds of sweet behind the scenes stuff, some extras, some goodies, some question and answers. You guys can support me at Patreon in the link below down in the description. I'm happy. I'm gonna go check out some music. Peace, y'all. Thanks for watching.